meat and hot dogs.
Hot dogs? Boy, let's go.
But, Pop, we have no money.
Money? Who needs money? Come on, we're going to the circus.
That's my pappy.
Okay, Sonny, go right in. Hey, mister, where's your ticket?
Stand aside, man. Don't you know who I am?
Yeah, a chiseler. Beat it.
You can't do this to me. I'll have your job. I'll sue you for every dime you got. I'm going to the circus. Kids get in for free. I'm going to the circus, 'cause I'm a kid, you see. You can't do this to me. I'll have your job. I'll sue you for every dime you got. Bruno, the juggling bear. Hey, that gives me an idea. Bruno. Meet the new Bruno, a performing bear. Yeah, what a soft spot. Ouch!
Bruno, you loafer. Get back in the tent. You are late for your act. Ladies and gentlemen, we now bring you Bruno, the juggling bear. Start juggling, you loafer.
Just in time for lunch. What are we having, pal? Thanks, pal. Bear burgers. Bear burgers?
Juggle the balls. Where are you? You got to finish the juggling act.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the big finale of our show. Introducing the human cannonball in a death-defying, impossible, never attempted before feat. Let it go, Professor!
Hey, Pop, look! I'm playing circus.
Circus? Phooey! I
may never want to see a circus again.
Jeepers! What's the matter with Pop?